you ever say?
Alright. Large chocolate shake and... Yeah. Thank you.